Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on Heron's formula. So in this video we'll discuss some of the more questions related to application of Heron's formula, so which are very important from the exam point of view. So let's get started with the first question, question number 1. Now the question says that a rhombus shaped field has a green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meters and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of a grass field will each cow be getting? So it's very easy question. Let's do it quickly then. So let's say we have a rhombus like this. So it is, let's say it is A, B, C and D. So let's say each side is 30 meters, right? It's given, and its longer diagonal is 48 meters, right? So we need to find the area of the rhombus. So what we can do is we can find the area for one triangle, so automatically we can get the area for another triangle because the diagonal bisects the area into two equal half. So let's do it then. So let's say we can say that consider triangle ABD. So in this triangle ABD, let A be 30 meters, B be 30 and C 48 meters. Now what we need to do is we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter is A plus B plus C, so which is 30 plus 30 plus 48. So when you add this, so it will come out to be 108. So the semi perimeter is half the perimeter, so which is 108 upon 2, so which is 54 meter. Then we need to find the area of a triangle ABD by Heron's formula. So we can say that area of triangle ABD is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, so which is equals to under root, let's say S is 54 into, so we need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A is, let's say 54 minus 30, so which is 24 again, which is 54 minus 30 again, which is 24. Then we have 54 minus 48, so which is 6. So we have 24 times 24 times 6. So this will come out to be under root 54 times 24 times 6. So it comes out to be 186624. So if you take the under root of this, so it will come out to be 432 meters square. Now, so this whole area needs to be grazed by 18 cows. So each cow will get area about 432 divided by 18. So this will be equals to, now the problem over here is that we have found area for one triangle only. Since these are areas are equal, so the area of rhombus, it will be equals to, we need to consider the area of rhombus. So first of all, so we need to times it by 2. We can say that area of rhombus will be 2 times the area of triangle ABD. Why? Because these two areas are equal. We have found the area for triangle ABD only, so we need to find the area for rhombus first. So this will come out to be 432 into 2 divided by 18. So when we do it, we need to times 432 by 2, so it will come out to be 864. Then we need to divide it by 18. So when we divide it by 18, so it comes out to be 48 meters square, right? So this much area will each cow get. So this is how we can use the application of Heron's formula. So let's do the next question now. Question number 2. Now umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth, 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. How much cloth each color is required for the umbrella? So there are 2 different colors of triangular pieces, means there are 5 for each of different colors, 2 different colors we can say, right? So first we need to find the area for one triangle, then we need to times it by 5 each, so that we can find the cloth required for each color umbrella, right? So let's say how we can do this. So first we need to draw a triangle like this. So let's say this is a triangle, and let's say this is 20, this is 50, and this is 50. So then we can use the Heron's formula now. So let's say A is 20, B is 50, and C is also 50. So we have perimeter as A plus B plus C. So perimeter is 20 plus 50 plus 50. So perimeter is 120. So semi perimeter is half the perimeter, so which is 120 by 2, so which is 60 centimeter, right? So now we have area which is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So we have S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A is 60 minus 20, so which is 40 centimeters. Then we have 60 minus 50, which is 10 centimeters. Then we have 60 minus 50, which is 10 centimeters, right? So area will be equals to S. So S 60 into 40 into 10 into 10. So which will be equals to under root of 240000. Then if we take the under root of this, so it will come out to be 489.897 centimeter square. Now there are total 10 triangular pieces, right? So area will be equals to 10 into 489.897, so which will be equals to 4898.97 centimeter squares, right? There are 5 of different each color, right? So you can say that for each color, cloth required will be 4898.97 divided by 2. So which will come out to be, if we divide 4898.97 divided by 2, so it will be, you can say that 2449.485 centimeter square. So this is how we can apply the Heron's formula to get the answer. Now let's discuss the next question, question number 3. Now it's very interesting question and very important from the exam point of view. Now a kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Now this is a diagonal and isosceles triangle at the base. So this is our isosceles triangle, you can see, of 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter side each, right? They are made of different shade. We need to find how much paper each shade has been used. Means this one, area 1, 2 and 3 we need to find. Now this is square. In square diagonals are equal. So if this whole diagonal is 32, so this means this will be 16 and this will be 16. Then the diagonals are equal in square. So this will be also be 16 and this also be 16, right? So if we can find the area for this triangle, since diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree in square, then we can find the area for rest of the part, right? So let's say we can say that area of triangle, let's say one, or let's say A, triangle part A will be equals to half into base into height, right? So it will be half, base is 16 and height is also 16, so this will come out to be 8 times 16. So when we do 8 times 16, it will be 128 centimeter square. So since the part 1 makes these similar to triangle, so we can say that area of part 1 will be 2 times 128 centimeter square. So we need to do 128 times 2. So if we do, it will come out to be 256 centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of part 2. Since it's a square and the diagonal bisect this into equal parts, so we can say that area of part 2 will be equals to area of part 1. Why? Because diagonals bisect into equal halves, right? So we can say that area of part 2 will be 256 centimeters square. Now we need to find the area of this isosceles triangle. So area of part 3. So let's say how we can solve this. So it's an isosceles triangle like this, and this is 6 and 8. So we can apply Heron's formula. So let's say how we can do. So let's say A is 6, B is 6, and C is 8. Then perimeter will come out to be A plus B plus C. So which will be 6 plus 8. So this will be 22, right? It will be 20 centimeter, right? Then semi perimeter will be half the perimeter, so it will be 20 by 2, so which is 10 centimeter. Now we can apply the Heron's formula. So before applying the Heron's formula, we need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A is 10 minus 6, which is 4. Then again 10 minus 6, which is 4. Then again 10 minus 8, which is 2. So area of part 3 will be equals to under root S 10 into S minus A 4 into 2. So if we solve this, it will come out to be 8 under root 5, which will be equals to 17.89 centimeters square approx. Right? So this is how we can use the concept of Heron's formula to solve the different type of question. Now let's discuss the next question, question number 4. Now question number 4 says that a floor design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are to be triangular in shape. The sides, we can say that the each triangle be 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 35 centimeter. We need to find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So let's say how we can do this. First we have 16 tiles and each triangle has sides. Let's say this is 35 centimeters, so this is 28 centimeter, and this is 9 centimeter, and the cost of polishing is given at 50 paisa per centimeter square, right? So first we need to find the area for one triangle. So let's say how we can do this. So let's say A is 9, B is 28, and C is 35. So perimeter will be equals to A plus B plus C. So it will be 9 plus 28 plus 35. So which will be equals to 28 plus 35 plus 9. So which will be 72. So semi perimeter is half the perimeter. It will be 72 by 2. So which is 36, right? So we can use the Heron's formula to find the area. So area can be written as area of triangle will be equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Before that we need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A will be equals to 36 minus 9. So what is 36 minus 9? If we do, we need to take away 36 and 9 from 36, so which is 27. Then we need to do 36 minus 28, so it will be 8. Then we need to do 36 minus 35, so which is 1. So we need to put the values now. So it will come out to be 36 times 27 times 8 times 1. So if you find the answer, it will come out to be 36 under root 6, or in decimals it can be 1400, or let's say let's do it 36 times under root 6. So it will be 88.181 centimeter square. Now so we have 16 tiles, so we can say that total area of 16 tiles will be 88.181 into 16, right? So this will come out to be 1410.906 centimeter square. So the cost will be 50 paisa, so it will be 0.5 into 410.906. so we need to do times by 0.5, so it will come out to be 705.45 paisa, right? Or we can say that rupees. So this is how we can use the application of Heron's formula to solve different types of question. So let's discuss the next question, and which is also the last question of this video. Now the question says that a field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides, so let's first draw trapezium like this. So let's say we have a trapezium like this, A, B, C and D, whose parallel sides are 25. So let's say this is 25 and this is 10 meters, and the non-parallel sides are 14 and 30. Now we need to find the area. So let's divide this in trapezium into parallelogram and triangle. So let's say this is E. Now this is parallelogram, so if this is 14, so this will also be 14. Now if this is 10, so this will also be a 10 meters, and this remaining part will be 15. So first we need to find the area of triangle. So let's say we write, consider triangle BEC. So in this triangle, let A be equals to 13, B be 14 and C be 15. We will find the area using Heron's formula. So perimeter will be equals to A plus B plus C, so which is 13 plus 14 plus 15, right? So it will be 13 plus 14 plus 15, so which is 42. So semi perimeter will be 42 by 2, so which is 21, right? So now we need to find the area. So area will be equals to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So for that, first we need to find S minus A, so which will be equals to 21 minus 13. So when we take away 13 from 21, so it will be 8. Then we need to find S minus B, which is 21 minus 14, so which is 7. Then S minus C, which is 21 minus 15, so it will be 6, right? Then what we need to do is we need to put in the values. So this will come out to be under root S. So what is S? 21 into S minus A is 8, S minus B is 7 into S minus C is 6. So when we times, it will come out to be under root 7056. So it will be, if you solve this answer, it will come out to be 84 meter square. So this is the area of a triangle. Now using this area of triangle, we can find the height. So let's say we draw a height like this, and let's say this point be F. So we can say that area is also equals to half base into height, right? So area is 84, which is equal to half, base is 15, and let's say height is BF. Then BF will be equals to 84 times 2 divided by 15. So when you solve this, let's say we need to do 84 times 2 and we need to divide it by 15. So answer will come out to be 11.2 meters. Now we can find the area of parallelogram ABED, so which is base into height. So base is 10 and height is 11.2. So this will come out to be 112 meters square, right? So we have the two areas. Now the total area of field will be equals to 112 plus 84, right? So this will come out to be 196 meters square, right? So this is how we can use the application and formula of Heron's formula to solve different type of questions, and we can use any other application to solve another various type of questions. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day.